Imagine a book hidden away for centuries, resting on the shelves of a forgotten library. Its very presence seems to whisper secrets from a distant past, inviting only the most curious minds to take a closer look. This is the Voynich Manuscript, a mysterious volume that has defied understanding for generations, baffling everyone who has dared to study it. Its pages are covered in a strange, flowing script, written in an unknown language. No one, not even the most skilled linguists or codebreakers, has managed to decipher a single word. Over the centuries, scholars, linguists, and cryptographers from around the world have pored over its pages, each hoping to be the one to unlock its secrets. Yet, every attempt has ended in frustration and more questions. The manuscript's allure goes beyond its unreadable text. Its pages are filled with bizarre, otherworldly illustrations, plants that don't exist anywhere on Earth, drawn with meticulous detail. There are also intricate diagrams of celestial bodies arranged in patterns that defy conventional astronomy, and mysterious scenes of bathing figures whose purpose remains unknown. Each page you turn only deepens the enigma, drawing you further into a world of riddles and speculation. Scientific analysis, including carbon dating, places the manuscript's creation in the early 1400s, over 600 years ago, during a time of great change and discovery in Europe. What kind of knowledge could be so precious or perhaps so dangerous that it needed to be hidden in such an impenetrable code? Was it meant to protect secrets, or simply to confound the reader? Some believe it's a forgotten herbal guide, filled with lost knowledge of plants and remedies. Others think it might be an alchemist's journal, a record of mystical experiments and discoveries. There are even those who wonder if it's a message from another world, or perhaps the most elaborate hoax in history. The truth remains just out of reach, as elusive as ever. Yet the ongoing quest to understand the Voynich Manuscript reveals something profound about human nature, our relentless curiosity, our drive to solve mysteries, and our fascination with the unknown. The Voynich Manuscript remains one of history's greatest puzzles, waiting patiently for someone someday to finally unlock its secrets. The Voynich Manuscript, shrouded in mystery for centuries, re-emerged in 1912, sparking a new era of fascination and scholarly intrigue. It was Wilfrid Voynich, a passionate, rare book dealer with a keen eye for the extraordinary, who stumbled upon the manuscript in a Jesuit college near Rome. Voynich instantly recognized that he had found something truly unique, an artifact unlike any other in the world of rare books. Voynich was captivated by the manuscript's strange script and bizarre illustrations. He devoted years of his life to studying its pages, convinced that it might be the lost work of the medieval scholar Roger Bacon. Despite his efforts, the manuscript's secrets remained locked away, fueling endless speculation. The manuscript's earlier history is shrouded in uncertainty. Some clues suggest it once belonged to Emperor Rudolph II of the Holy Roman Empire, who was so intrigued by its mystery that he reportedly paid a king's ransom to acquire it. Accompanying letters and documents hint at a long journey across Europe, passing through the hands of scholars, alchemists, and collectors. Each note and signature adds another layer to the manuscript's tangled provenance. After Voynich's death, the manuscript's odyssey continued. It changed hands several times, each new owner hoping to be the one to finally decipher its code before it was ultimately donated to Yale University in 1969. Today, the Voynich Manuscript is carefully preserved in Yale's Beinecke Rare Book and Manuscript Library. It sits behind glass, cataloged and protected, yet its meaning remains as elusive as ever. The manuscript's journey through time is as enigmatic as the cryptic language and illustrations within its pages. It has survived wars, political upheaval, and centuries of neglect, only to emerge as one of history's greatest literary puzzles. Each owner, from emperors to scholars to collectors, has contributed to its legend, but none have managed to unlock its secrets. The manuscript's aura of mystery only grows with each passing decade. Even now, the Voynich Manuscript remains an irresistible enigma, drawing in new generations of researchers, cryptographers, and dreamers, each hoping to be the one who finally unravels its mysteries. The Voynich Manuscript is a small, thick book, vellum pages about the size of a paperback. Its cover is plain, offering no clues. Inside, the script flows elegantly, left to right, in an alphabet found nowhere else. The ink has faded, but the writing remains clear. The illustrations are rendered in colored inks, greens, blues, reds, depicting fantastical plants, celestial charts, and mysterious bathing scenes. The botanical drawings combine features from different species or invent entirely new ones. Astronomical diagrams show unfamiliar constellations. The biological section features networks of pipes and pools, with naked figures and strange rituals. Each section hints at a world both familiar and alien. The manuscript is a window into a unique, lost perspective. At the very heart of the Voynich Manuscript's enduring mystery lies its script, a writing system that has confounded scholars, linguists, and cryptographers for centuries. The pages are filled with lines of elegant, looping characters, each one distinct and unfamiliar, yet arranged with the apparent logic of a real language. There are between 20 and 30 unique characters, forming what look like words and sentences, written with a steady hand and a sense of purpose. Statistical analysis reveals patterns and structures that mimic those found in natural languages. There are word frequencies, repetitions, and even what seem to be grammatical rules. Yet despite these clues, no one has ever managed to read a single sentence. Is it a lost language, a sophisticated cipher, or perhaps an elaborate hoax? Theories abound, but none have unlocked its secrets. The writing flows effortlessly across the page, as if the author was intimately familiar with every symbol, suggesting a fluency that only deepens the enigma. Unlike other ancient scripts, there is no key, no legend, no Rosetta Stone to guide us. The manuscript stands alone, isolated from any known language family. Over the years, cryptographers have tried every trick in the book: substitution ciphers, code books, frequency analysis, and even computer algorithms. Yet the code remains unbroken. Some words repeat in strange clusters, defying the patterns of most known languages and hinting at rules we have yet to decipher. The structure of the text suggests meaning and intention, but the meaning itself remains locked away, just out of reach. Every new attempt to break the code feels like starting from scratch, as if the manuscript resets the puzzle with each fresh pair of eyes. The script itself is mesmerizing, beautiful, intricate, and utterly impenetrable, inviting us to look closer while keeping its secrets hidden. It stands as a wall of symbols, a silent challenge daring us to understand, to break through and reveal what lies beneath. For now, the Voynich Manuscript keeps its secrets, its script remaining just beyond our grasp, waiting for the day someone finally cracks the code. The illustrations are as baffling as the text. The botanical section shows impossible plants, chimeras of roots, stems, and flowers. Are they real, symbolic, or pure fantasy? Astronomical diagrams feature suns, moons, and stars in unfamiliar arrangements with zodiac signs that don't quite match known traditions. The biological section is the strangest: naked women with swollen abdomens, bathing in green pools connected by elaborate plumbing. Are these rituals, medical treatments, or alchemical processes? Cosmological pages display intricate circular diagrams, rosettes defying explanation. The pharmaceutical section shows plant parts in jars, hinting at herbal knowledge. Each drawing is a puzzle piece, but the picture remains hidden. The manuscript's art is a visual riddle. Attempts to decipher the Voynich Manuscript began centuries ago. In the 1660s, scholar Athanasius Kircher was sent the manuscript, hoping his expertise could unlock it, but he made no progress. The Bacon theory, linking the book to Roger Bacon, added to its mystique. After centuries in obscurity, Wilfred Voynich revived interest in the early 1900s, distributing copies to scholars worldwide. Even top cryptologists like William F. Friedman, who broke wartime codes, failed to crack it. The manuscript resisted every effort, deepening its legend. With computers, researchers analyzed the Voynich text for patterns, frequencies, and structures. They tested ciphers, code books, and even machine learning, but no method has produced a translation. The text's entropy matches real languages, suggesting it's not random. AI has found possible links to Hebrew or Semitic languages, but nothing conclusive. Scientific tests date the vellum to the early 1400s, and the inks match period materials. The manuscript is authentic, not a modern fake. But knowing when it was made doesn't reveal its purpose or meaning. The digital age has yet to solve the puzzle. Theories abound. Some say it's an herbal or medical encyclopedia, its plants in jars recording lost remedies. Others see an alchemical text, full of coded symbolism and secret processes. It might be a sophisticated cipher, hiding forbidden knowledge or secret messages. Or perhaps it's an elaborate hoax, crafted to intrigue and confound. The effort required for such a hoax would have been immense. Carbon dating rules out a modern forgery, but not a 15th century trickster. The true purpose remains unknown. The Voynich Manuscript endures because it defies explanation. In a world of answers, it remains a question. Its mystery challenges our intellect and fuels our imagination. The strange art and unreadable script invite endless speculation. Was it the work of a genius, a secret society, or a forgotten culture? Understanding it would connect us to a lost world. Until then, it stands as a testament to the unknown, urging us to keep searching. The quest continues.